is Sujesh and this is a video review of the XV123. Why I named it as XV123? Because the name is nice, cool, yeah, and you because my name it's Sujesh, so yeah. And this gun has two attachments, so I'll cover the attachments later. And let's go to the main blaster. So the main blaster contains two barrels. Let's go two grips and one 18-round stick magazine. So yeah, let's go. From the grip, I got this rectangular piece of cardboard and cut it like a curve, so it looks cool and it's comfortable, right? So now the funniest thing about this gun, it doesn't shoot. It's cool, right? It doesn't shoot. Alright, let's go. This is an 18-round stick mag. I don't know why I put for style points. With a gun without a magazine, it's not a gun. It's just made of garbage. So don't use that. You just keep it for style points. Yeah, reload simply. And the magazine, yeah, new. It looks cool, right? The style points are 18-round stick mags. So on the grip for extra grippiness. What do you say? Don't know. Scientific name. I don't know what is that. I got a stylish piece of cardboard, I guess. Cut it like a arc bridge shape, which is kind of awkward, but it fits my hand. And that's my whole kit fits on me. So yeah, it's cool. And yeah, it shoots nicely, but doesn't shoot. Alright. So I got over the gun and let's go to the attachments. Setting up with the extra magnifying scope, this sorry, I forgot to review one thing in the gun. The scope! The scope is used to magnify 1,000 meters away from the zombies. Easy to kill them, yeah. But this gun doesn't shoot. How many times I'll say that? Alright, over. Let's go with the attachments. As I started with the scope, gives extra 1,000 meters, 2,000 meters killing the zombies from anywhere around the world. So you take this, not there, sorry, into this barrel, as you can see, this barrel, and yeah, and look. What is happening? Don't know what is happening. Something is happening. These are paper, so yeah, paperwork doesn't sense. Yeah, it looks like this. 2,000 meters. Looks 2,000 meters. Not magnifying 2,000 meters. It's cool, right? Sniping zombies from 2,000 meters around the world is so cool that zombies doesn't know. Alright, too much off topic. Let's go with the other attachment. This is a bipod suppressor barrel. 3-in-1. So bipod suppressor barrel. 2-in-1 and this is 1-in-1. So it's what you want. This barrel can be attached to this barrel extension right here. It's very easy to attach. And it's a suppressor, so that sound comes. Not like town like this. Two. It actually sounds like this. Very low voice. And yeah, stabilizes bipod. Bipod is a little tricky to stabilize. You can use it as a handle too. Yeah, let's go, bro. For the star point. Gangster edition. Oh yeah. You can go 2,000 meters anywhere around the world with gangster mode. Oh yeah. Anywhere, full automatic. Yeah, that's cool. This attachment will be very cool in the future. Yeah, that's cool. This reactive too much, I guess. Yeah. This attachment is very easy. Attaching two barrels together, one easy. Sniper status. But this barrel attaches 2,000 more meters. combos here. One is timer status, CQB edition. Give me 3 combos with the attachments included with this. One sniper status, CQB edition. Oh yeah. Yeah, come on, get killed. That's cool. Sniper status. Holy tactics, Batman. Looks so raw. Oh yeah, Thunderhawk super precision. Their jaw is broken, bro. Yeah, it's cool, right? Now, gangster mode, full auto, without one scope. Super cool, right? Gangster mode, handle, head control. Makes sense, right? So this concludes my review of the XV123. This gun actually was made by me, so no complaints. Yeah, if you like the gun and the video, comment, like, subscribe and share. So, and if you want more reviews, comment, like, subscribe and share. Good night. It's me, Ujay.